Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public site in Salesforce. First, navigate to Setup and search for Sites. Here, you'll register a unique domain name for your public site. This domain will serve as the base URL for all your public pages. Remember to choose a name that is both available and representative of your brand or purpose. Once you've registered your domain, the next step is to create a new site within that domain. You'll need to give your site a descriptive name and a unique URL suffix. It's also important to select an active site homepage at this stage. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your site's online presence and ensuring it's accessible to the public, laying the groundwork for your content. With your site created, you can now begin building its pages and content. Utilize Salesforce Experience Builder or Site Studio to design your site's layout and add various components. You can include forms to collect data, display information, and integrate other Salesforce functionalities. Remember to publish your site regularly to ensure all your updates are live and visible to your audience. Finally, security is paramount for any public site. Implement robust security settings, including guest user profile permissions, to protect your data and maintain user trust. Regularly review site access and permissions to ensure optimal security and compliance. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Keeping your site secure and well-maintained is key to its long-term success and reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.